Bridging the gap between academia and industry in Pakistan. In the recent years, the gap between academia and industry has become a pressing concern for HR managers across various sectors in Pakistan. They lament the significant gap between what higher educational institutions produce and what the industry actually demands. This disconnect, if left unaddressed, can hinder economic growth, innovation, and the overall development of the country. The need for a profound transformation to align academia with industry requirements is crystal clear, and this article explores both the challenges and potential solutions. Many HR professionals have already brought this issue to the forefront that the current crop of graduates lacks functional competence. This sentiment echoes the concerns of many industry leaders who find that graduates often lack the practical skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the dynamic and competitive landscape of today's job market. This mismatch between academia and industry needs raises questions about how this gap can be effectively bridged. One essential step in this process is the revision and alignment of the academic curriculum with the rapidly evolving requirements of various industries. A curriculum that is up-to-date, flexible, and designed with input from industry experts can better equip students with the skills and knowledge they need to hit the ground running in their careers. Collaboration between academia and industry in curriculum design can ensure that graduates possess the relevant technical and soft skills, making them valuable assets from day one. Another vital aspect is providing students with exposure to the industry during their academic journey. Internships, apprenticeships, and industry visits can offer students valuable insights into real-world scenarios, workplace dynamics, and the practical application of their theoretical knowledge. This exposure allows students to bridge the gap between theory and practice, making them more adaptable and job-ready. To further enhance this connection, it's crucial to have educators with industry experience. Hiring professors and teachers who have practical experience in their fields ensures that students receive a balanced education that integrates academic theory with real-world insights. These experienced educators can provide valuable mentorship, share industry best practices, and inspire students to think critically and creatively. The establishment of incubation centers within universities can be a game-changer. These centers should foster innovation, entrepreneurial spirit, and the development of practical skills. They create a space where students can work on real projects, collaborate with industry experts, and even incubate their own startups. This hands-on experience not only bridges the academia-industry gap but also contributes to economic growth by fostering innovation and new business ventures. Promoting entrepreneurship and commercial viability among students is another essential avenue. Encouraging students to explore entrepreneurial ventures and providing them with the necessary resources, mentorship, and guidance can lead to the creation of innovative solutions that address industry needs. This proactive approach not only prepares students for diverse career paths but also strengthens the ties between academia and the business world. Further to it, academic research should be directed towards solving real-world problems and addressing industry challenges. Collaborative research projects involving academia and industry can lead to breakthrough innovations and solutions. By focusing research efforts on practical applications, universities can contribute directly to industry development, making their graduates more valuable contributors to the workforce. In conclusion, bridging the gap between academia and industry in Pakistan is crucial for the growth of the industry and business, and it will also help in reducing the number or ratio of unemployment. By revising curricula, providing industry exposure, hiring industry-experienced educators, establishing incubation centers, promoting entrepreneurship, and directing academic research towards practical industrial solutions, we can create a symbiotic relationship that benefits both academia and the industry. This transformation is not only a necessity but an opportunity to build a more skilled, adaptable, and competitive workforce capable of driving Pakistan's progress in the global arena.